Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to FM News TV. I'm Joanna Brzezińska. Thank you for joining us. In today's episode, we will tell you about a couple of new product catalogue launches in Kazakhstan and Qatar, first training session in a series of recurring workshops for our business partners, and our mainstays of the program, that is must-have series and the consumer survey. New products in the catalogue number 31 are becoming more and more popular. We are glad that they are available on new markets. On the 9th of November, they were available to FM World business partners in Kazakhstan, and a week later, our new catalogue reached the FM World in Qatar. Mr. Marek Kretek, FM World Managing Director, was a special guest at both events. On the last Saturday of November, the very first training session in a series of recurring workshops for business partners took place in the FM World headquarters in Wrocław. Participants were taught how to work with the NUTRICODE line and use the Fit6 program. Moreover, the training focused on identifying customer needs and wants and offering value products to meet them, that is, our dietary supplements. Apart from a practical training, there was a debate on the Fit6 program in social media and common communication mistakes. More from the next FM workshops soon. On November 23rd, over 200 business partners from all over Ukraine came to Lviv to celebrate the 13th anniversary of FM World Ukraine. The event was attended by special guests, Managing Director of the company, Mr. Marek Kretek, and the amethyst star, Mr. Krzysztof Cybul. It was a themed event inspired by magic, which made it even more extraordinary. In this enchanting aura, the Fit6 program and the new collection of luxurious Alaya makeup cosmetics were presented. In addition, the best leaders were awarded for their achievements. Today in a consumer survey, we will ask random people how they support their immune system.
Physical activity is very important to me, but I'm a young mum and I have less spare time now, so diet is also very important, as well as adequate food supplements, which are absolutely a key thing. In order to strengthen my immune system, especially in the wintertime, I use natural ingredients such as ginger, lemon, honey, garlic, turmeric. Of course, I don't forget about outdoor activities. Even a short brisk walk is a good way of getting some exercise. Because I've been running my own business for many years now and I don't have extra time for going to a swimming pool or gym, I bet on supplementation, carefully selected dietary supplements, and in my case it works. I feel great, I don't get sick. It's the best option for me. Generally, I try to stay fit, that is, I go for long walks every day and try to exercise regularly. I dress appropriately for the weather, not to catch a cold. And to dietary supplementation, except for vitamin D, I don't take any food supplements. Since I had the baby, I've started to take care more of myself, my immune system. I started going to the gym, I took up running, but most of all, I started taking food supplements.
We received a few tips on how to strengthen our immune system. As we all heard, respondents in the consumer survey mentioned dietary supplementation as means of maintaining optimal health. In a moment, in the must-have series, Mrs. Balbina Martini, our product promotion and product training manager, will tell you about an excellent food supplement which effectively supports the immune system.
Zadaniem układu odpornościowego jest ochrona organizmu. Choć odporność dziedziczymy
The primary function of the immune system is to protect the body from infection. Although immunity response is determined by our genes, much depends on us and our actions. Nowadays, many of us are affected by sleep deprivation, poor diet, alcohol, tobacco and other drugs consumption, excessive use of antibiotics, lack of physical activity, working overtime and chronic stress. All of them can actually weaken your immune system in the long run. Colostrum is exactly what you need to boost your immunity these days. It contains colostrum, first milk produced by cows initially following calving, which is an incredibly valuable natural source of immune components and vital growth factors. Very rich in antibodies, macronutrients and vitamins, has powerful nutritional, boosting and infection protective properties. It contains colostrum, first milk produced by cows initially following calving, which is an incredibly valuable natural source of immune components and vital growth factors. Very rich in antibodies, macronutrients and vitamins, has powerful nutritional, boosting and infection protective properties. Colostrum has numerous benefits, but the most important is strengthening the immune system. Dietary supplement Colostrum Extra Immunity has a unique composition providing excellent support for your immune system. Apart from colostrum, it contains spirulina, a biomass of a blue greasine algae, vitamins B6, C and D, and zinc, and all these contribute significantly to the proper functioning of the immune system. How to take Colostrum Extra Immunity? Take 1 capsule in the morning and 1 in the evening with a glass of water. Who should take this food supplement? All those who are aware of the negative impact of living in a hurry, unhealthy diet, stress and lack of sleep on the immune system. Please remember that also older and obese people tend to have weaker immunity, and eating radically restricted diet can lead to a weakened immune system too.
Mogą mieć również osoby w podeszłym wieku, osoby drastycznie odchudzające się, a także osoby otyłe.
The most beautiful and magical time of the year is right around the corner. We are happy that in the hustle and bustle of Christmas preparations, FM World leaders and employees found time to sit together round a table to review the past year and wish each other Merry Christmas. And at the holiday season, our thoughts turn gratefully to those who have made our progress possible. We take this opportunity to wish you, our FM World business partners, and all those close to you, a joyous holiday, and peace, love, laughter and prosperity throughout the coming year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Today's episode ends with a surprise, especially for you, our dear FM News TV viewers, a Christmas message from the owner of the company, Mr. Artur Trawiński.
Dear partners, on the occasion of upcoming Christmas, I would like to wish you a lot of love, happiness and cheerfulness. As well, I would like to give you a great news as a gift. You all told me that Maldives are the best place to celebrate our anniversary. Well, I think I found a better place. On 17th anniversary, I would like to take you to Australia, to the Coral Reef, to Hamilton Island. I'm sure you're gonna love the place. Meanwhile, I would like to wish you a great holidays and an amazing and happy New Year. Bye bye!